The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla and I want to say greetings to each and everyone. Now, there is a video that's out on social media that shows of a female confronting another female because she said that female said some things to her that is considered racist. You see me? Or racial comments, you know what I mean? Now, this video is out on social media where some people are saying that the female could have approached the lady in a different manner, and some people are saying a totally different thing, viewers and subscribers. Now, I am going to show you this video so that you can have a better understanding for yourself and you can also tell me what you think about what had happened in the video. Now, before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
You a racist piece of shit. This lady is racist. She's racist. She's talked shit to me on my block. This is a racist lady right here. She took pictures, called me name while my kids was in the car. She's racist. You are a racist piece of shit. And you live out here and we gotta live around this shit. I live right out here just like you. And I'll be damned if somebody disrespect me. Color or not. You are evil. My kids was in the car and you said mean shit. Don't touch my fucking phone. Don't touch my goddamn phone. What's wrong with you? She gonna grab my stuff. Where my phone at? You don't do that. You don't do that. And I got you recorded. You put your hands on me. You do not do that. You do not. Yes, she did.
Right in your face. Do it again.
Go ahead. Call it because I was recording. You stupid. You racist and you an ignorant piece of shit. It don't make no damn sense that we gotta live around somebody like you. Call whoever you want to. Call whoever you want to. That's why I record stuff. That's exactly why I record stuff. Yeah, you don't got nothing to say because you around your people. You see how she ran up on me? This a racist piece of shit, right? You did. This lady assaulted me on my block. She think black people not supposed to stay out here. So soon as she seen a black person, she cussed me out, called me bitches, all kinds of shit. You black bitch, you nigga and shit. She said all that shit over here, and that's why I record her. She took pictures. Don't you got pictures on my car? In your phone? Yes, you do, because you a nasty ass. They don't want blacks out this bitch. Now we out this motherfuckers, they don't know what the fuck to do. You racist. You a racist ass some damn body. You're racist.
I don't want my dog to get hurt. Come here.
Your dog ain't gonna get hurt.
Jill.
Your dog is fine.
Say the B word again. I'm gonna kick you and your dog.
Shay, no you're not. Get back.
Jill.
That your dog know you're evil. We not. They know good spirits. You're evil. Your dog know that. Your dog by me. Your dog know you evil. You evil. Look, your dog know I'm not evil. You're evil. Look, her dog is right here by me. I know Pooch. That lady is evil and probably put you through hell. That lady probably put you through hell. Make no damn sense. She even looked like they're gonna, huh? We was riding around here and she started calling all kinds. Oh, you driving fast, bitch, and all this, talking all kinds of shit. When I ride, fuck you, bitch. Yes, you did. So yes, you did. Don't you got a picture of my car?
You know what I said to you?
What?
You said
so you did not. You did say that. Why you gonna lie? So I said I'm gonna take a picture just like you took a picture of me, and you gonna be all over the internet with your racist tail. I don't care nothing, but you will be there, boo. You will be built there, boo. You can't walk around and think black people ain't shit. This is 2019. 2019, boo. We stepping up in the world. We coming on up, boo. We not your slaves no damn more. We're not your fucking slaves no damn more. You can't whip our ass no goddamn more. Shit don't work your way all the goddamn time.
Please find Robert and send him up to the clubhouse. I need him right now.
You being wet. You was nasty as fuck. You was and grabbed me, jumped on me. You was there. You go ahead, play that little crime, play that crime game, boo.
I'm on the street.
Come play that crime thing with your dog beside us, loving us. With your dog, there y'all go. Y'all white people like to do that crime shit, all that little fake shit. But you was hard at first. At first you were hard. Now you playing that crime shit. That does not work. That does not work, boo. What? Racism still exists, and Riverwalk got it bad. Riverwalk has it so bad that it don't make no damn sense. You can't ride out this bitch without y'all looking at us funny. All y'all be looking at us funny. All y'all look at us funny like y'all, we not supposed to be out here. And that's very bad. Y'all got it up and down the damn page when people at the pier. Oh, because they black, they not supposed to be at the pier. They don't live out here, huh? Y'all have y'all little discussions and all that stuff. That's bad. That's real bad. All black people ain't bad and all black people ain't poor. All black people are not thugs. That's not what goes on. Okay? All black people not bad. You go with that bullshit, you come trying to hit somebody, now your ass want to sit down. What did you just do?
Tried to take your phone.
What did you do though? You grabbed at me, didn't you? You slow, lady. You slow. You don't even know. Did I touch you? Did I touch you? No, I did not. When you hit my shit, yes, I did. You can't touch somebody. What world you live in think that you could go touch somebody's stuff and ain't nothing gonna happen to you? This is not slavery time. You can't whip my ass and think that I'm supposed to be like, yes, ma'am. What the fuck you think that is? I'm not gonna yes, ma'am, and give you my shit. You did not pay for this.
And you didn't have permission to take my picture or my...
You took a picture of my shit. You take a picture, yes you did. You got a picture, yes you got a picture though, didn't you? Do you know, aren't you ignorant? Aren't you ignorant? That's ignorance right there. That's ignorance right there. Pure ignorance.
My glasses. They're right here.
Right there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you see me going anywhere? He was right there. We got other people that saying stuff. You don't even know.
I'm not
Maybe.
involved. All I'm doing is taking a walk.
Okay, and us too. We live out here too. And yeah, you don't even know. You need to stay out of it. You don't even know what's going
I'm
on.
not in it.
You don't even know what's going on.
I'm not in it.
Okay, well, act like you're not in it.
Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. The video showing of the female confronting the other female, you know. But viewers and subscribers, the things that has been said is that they are saying that the female should have not went and approached that female in such a manner. You know what I mean? Now, viewers and subscribers, you have to look at certain things when you're doing some things, because, you know, sometimes you will do some things trying to get a point across, but at the same time, you can end up putting yourself in problem or in trouble, as how you put it. You know what I mean? And the reason why I'm saying this is that, you know, if you go to somebody to confront them about something, depending on how you confront them, viewers and subscribers, you can end up getting in problem with the law. You know what I mean? Because it can be considered where it's harassment in a certain ways, you know what I mean? And if you touch them in certain ways, it can be looked at as an assault. You know what I mean, viewers and subscribers? So these are some of the things that some people are saying on social media towards the whole incident where this lady had confronted the other lady. You know what I'm saying to you? Now, bear in mind that more things have been said towards this video that is out on social media, but viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave it right there. You know, I just bring it to you so that you can have a look at it and have an understanding for yourself, and you can also tell me what you think. And I would like to add to it that heated argument, you know, those quarrel, you know, those kind of confrontations, in my point of view, they are not good, and you should avoid these kinds of confrontation and walk away. You know, I know that sometimes people might say things that might hurt your feelings. However, if you can walk away from these heated arguments, just walk away, because some of the times these heated arguments or confrontations, or what you might call it, can escalate to a point where people can get arrested or even worse. You know what I mean? It can end in a way that you would never expect. So again, I'm going to say this, that yes, sometimes people will say some things that might hurt your feelings, But it is best to just walk away and avoid these kinds of arguments or quarrel or heated, confrontations or what you might call it. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, sometimes when I say some things like walk away from certain things, like, where you're going to have heated argument and confrontations, sometimes some people might think or feel that I am defending some people or something that someone has done. No, I am not defending someone that has done something, especially if that something that they have done is wrong. I am not. But I am not going to encourage somebody to use heated argument or violence to solve anything, because that don't solve anything, viewers and subscribers. We are living in a world right about now where there is so much bad things happening. I mean, why would I want to see something else bad happen? You know what I mean? Plus I am not the kind of person that is going to tell somebody to do something wrong that is going to get them into trouble. You know what I mean, viewers and subscribers? Because I wouldn't want trouble for myself. I wouldn't want anybody to give me a bad advice. So therefore, why should I give somebody a bad advice? Just walk away from these kind of things. You see me? Don't even second guess it. Just leave and go your way. Alright? By the time you walk down the road, you be so calm you don't even remember what happened. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so just walk away from these things, man. Avoid it. And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what go on. So if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.